Find and search function. Find function and search function both have similar functionalities. They are used to locate the position of a substring within a text string. There is only one difference between find function and the search function. The difference is find function is case sensitive function, whereas search function is not a case sensitive function. Here is the syntax for the find function and search function. So let's see how find and search function will work in Excel workbook. Equals to find what text we want to find. Suppose we want to find small h, comma, from where we want to find the text. From this text string we want to find the position of small h, bracket close and enter. It will show you the position of small h. Small h is at third position of this text string. And in this Robert Johnson, small h is at 10th position of the text string. So let's see how search function will work. Equals to search small h, within the text, select text and enter. In search function, it is also at third position of text string. Let's find the position of capital H. Change this small h to capital H and change this also. In John Smith, there is capital H is at 10th position of text string, and in this there is no capital H, so it is showing value error. So let's find capital H by using search function. Change this to capital H. So in this there is no effect anything, because find function is case sensitive function but search function is not a case sensitive function. So let's understand how find and search function will work. I have written find function in this cell and search function in these cells. So let's find the position of capital J. It will show you the position of capital J from John Smith. I have created scales and I have written texts in different cells, and below that text I have written numbers to show you the position of that letters. In John Smith there is total 10 letters including space, and in Robert Johnson there is 14 letters including space. So let's find position of small h from John Smith. It will show you the third position. When you type capital H here, it will show you 10th position of the text string. Let's do it in Robert Johnson. So let's find the position of small o. It will show you the position at second position of the text. So let's find the position of capital O. It is showing that capital O is at 9th position of the text. I have typed space. It is showing that space is at 7th position of the text. So let's find the location with search function. If you want to find position of small h, it is showing at third position of the text string, and if you find capital H, again it is showing third position, because search is not a case sensitive function. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.